Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Get well soon, Rick Halbur. We'll have that coming right up. The other day I found out that Rick Halbur, subscriber and great friend of the channel, was having surgery yesterday, and I was very pleased to see a picture of him on Facebook, and he's recovering. In fact, he had a wonderful comment, and I'll post that up on the screen after watching the replay of last night's Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live with Rick Smith. Rick Halbur, we want to wish you, from Bill the Drone Reviewer, both my wife and I, a very speedy recovery. Our thoughts and prayers are with you. Want to know that the whole drone community, thoughts and prayers are with you as well. You're a great friend, not only of this channel, but of a lot of channels. And want to thank you for your consistent, excellent comments, for your encouragement for myself, and I know you do the same for others, and that's very much appreciated. We want to see you back on your feet. We want to see that a controller in your hands and want to hear that sound take off, and the home point has been established. So we're looking forward to hearing good news about you. And if you could do me a favor, when you're able to, if you could shoot me your address in an email to BillTheDroneReviewer at gmail.com. I have something that I'd like to send you. So what I'm going to ask everybody to do out there, and I would really like this, I would like to see just nothing but likes on this video, and I would also like to see in the comments section, instead of a question of the day, send Rick your get well wishes. I know he watches my channel. I know he watches a lot of others. But send Rick your get well wishes. I think that would just be tremendous. It would be an encouragement to him. We can't thank you enough for what you do, not only for this channel, but for the drone community at large. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.